Okay, so this is 2009 question A3. So the block of cheese standing on a cheese board is shown in a 3D graphic. The cheese is being cut as shown. Shiz, I'm hungry at the moment to see that and I want some cheese. An axonometric view is shown on the right. A plan is being positioned relative to the axis as shown. Part A, draw the elevation of the objects in the correct position on the XY plane. So basically what it means is in the correct position on the vertical plane. Okay, orientated in the correct way. Right. What's very important to note is this is the end vertical plane here, and this is an edge of the end vertical plane. So all this detail here at the side on the base has to start on the Z axis. Right, so I'm going to extend on my Z axis, and these projection lines go perpendicular to the perpendicular to the green edge of the triangle. Alright, now, so we're going to draw our semicircle here, and we're going to get our compass now, and we're going to draw in the semicircle. Okay, like that blue semicircle there. Right, we don't have the center, so how do we find the center? We take our compass, set it to the length of the line, and we're going to bisect it. So I bisected the line. Okay, and now I'm going to draw in my semicircle. Right, now here's the triangle, so where the Z axis pierces the semicircle, there's the orientation of our elevation. Right, so how do we figure out our elevation? Well, this is going to be on the Y axis, so we're just going to bring this line back until it hits the triangle there, so that's, or the edge of the triangle, so that's the height of the object. Now the base of it is on the X axis, so I'm going to bring this line here until it touches the base, so this is the length of the base there. I'm going to bring this here back at the same angle, and we're going to have the top surface of the base of the cheese along there, so you'll see it now. So there we go. So there's the top of the base block, the chopping board. There's the side of it. Alright, my set square has slipped on me there. It's a little bit inaccurate. So sorry about that. Now, to do the block of cheese, right? So how are we going to get this block of cheese, the height? Well, so I know this point is on the base of the cheese, on that base. So I'm going to bring that back to there. Alright, and it's going to be parallel to the edge here. And then I'm going to bring the edge of the cheese here back until it hits there. So that's the height of the cheese in elevation. Okay, now I want to get this edge here of the cheese, so I'm going to bring this back. Okay, I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to bring the bottom back here. And I'm going to go parallel to this edge from here, and I can heavy this in. And now all I have to do is the cut section of the cheese. So I'm going to bring this point back to here, and this point back to here, and that's the cut section of the cheese, right? And then the next thing I'm going to have to do is, okay, I'm going to have to find the true shape of the triangular surface. So I'm going to have to find the true shape of this. Now, so I'm going to label these points A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. And what I'm going to do is rotate surface A, B, C about line AB until it's horizontal, okay, in elevation, so until it's technically or it'll be a true length in plan, okay, so, or true shape in plan rather. So A to B, okay, is the hinge line. So from C we're going to go perpendicular to A to B, because if you hinge something, rotate something, the points have to move perpendicular to the line it hinges. Like, so for example, this set square, well, I'll use the small one. So if I rotate this set square up, I'll zoom out there, the top of the set square is rising up perpendicular to the hinge line AB. Now, so any line on a true shape is a true length, so I need to get the new C. Now, because AC in plan we're going to look is parallel to the edge of the VP, we're going to be looking at a true length of A to C in elevation. So I'm going to get line A to C in elevation, take the length here, step it then from A, and then where it intersects its hinge line, that's the true length of A to, or true shape rather, of A to C there. That's the true shape, because that's the true length. So just to remind you, I took that distance there with my compass, A to C, because it was a true length in elevation as I was looking perpendicular to it, and I swung from A, and where it hit the hinge or the line marking the point of rotation, or where it's been rotated. So the perpendicular line is the path of the shape, and that's path of the point, and where they intersect, that's it. So cheers, thank you, bye bye.